For this tutorial, you'll need the white clean sheet and pen, the handwriting workbook and a pencil. As your child is learning to read the Set 1 speed sounds using the flashcards and bedroom freeze, you can also teach your child to write them. As with reading, you should only refer to the sounds at this stage and not to the letter names. The handwriting workbook, together with the white clean sheet and pen, gives your child the opportunity to develop and practice handwriting, writing the letter or letters while saying a mnemonic phrase, and sound writing, writing the letter or letters while saying the sound. Although we want children to learn to write as easily as they learn to read, there are many children who, however well they can read the sounds, words and stories, find the physical process of writing more difficult. Research shows that children's intellectual progress depends on their progress in reading. This means that children who find handwriting challenging, often boys, must not be held back by this, but be allowed to progress at the speed they can learn to read. For example, if your child can read the speed sounds in Group 1, but finds writing them challenging, they should still progress to reading and writing the Group 2 sounds. Each sound in the handwriting workbook has a mnemonic, memorable phrase, to help your child learn to write that sound. For example, Maisie, mountain, mountain. This phrase always appears in the practice handwriting box in the handwriting workbook. Watch how Mandy teaches her son Aryan how to write the sounds. Aryan is in reception.
We've learnt to read S. Should we learn how to write it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's get your pen. Let me show you first, okay? Can you see this there? So we start at the, it looks like a snake, doesn't it? Look, we start at the snake's head and we slither down the snake. Can you say it with me this time? When I'm writing it, hold on. Slither down the snake. Good job. Do you want to have a go?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Can you say it as well?
Slither down the snake.
Good job. Can you do it again? Rub it out. Well done.
Slither down the snake.
Excellent. Well done.
Start by helping your child to handwrite the sound while saying the mnemonic phrase. Write over S on the white clean sheet saying slither down the snake as you go from the snake's head to the tail. White clean, then ask your child to do the same, writing over S while saying slither down the snake. Ask your child to practice this until they feel confident.
Okay, this time, should we write it again? But this time I just want you to say the sound. So can we try it, show you first? Can I show you first?
Yeah.
So you do S. Oh, good job. Can you give it a go?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. You rub it out for me. Okay, here you go.
Next, help your child to write while they say the sound. Write over S on the white clean sheet, saying S. Wipe clean, then ask your child to do the same, writing over S while saying S. Ask your child to practice this until they feel confident.
You've done such a good job. Should we try writing it with a pencil now in our special handwriting book? Yeah? Just like I showed you. Okay, listen. So you can write it. Oh, you can write it, can't you? Look, it says slither down the snake. Can you say it as well?
Slither down the snake.
Say it.
Slither down the snake. 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 Slither down the snake.
Excellent. Okay, now this time can you write it again, but you just say S. Yeah. Can you write? That's it. Good job. Can you write it again? Oh, excellent. Oh, can you lift your head up a bit? I can't see. Oh, well done. You're doing it too fast. Should we do some nice slow ones so I can see that you can write it properly? I can't hear you making the sound. That's it. Oh, that's brilliant. Well done. Excellent.
When your child feels confident with each sound, turn to the relevant page in the handwriting workbook and ask them to complete the writing activities.
Remember how we learned the other sounds? Shall we try practicing them here? And you can say the sounds. Can you try having a go at writing for me? You say and you write it down slowly. Oh, excellent. Can we do it one more time? Excellent. Can you try writing for me? Good. Good. Well done.
Once your child has learnt more than one sound, they can practice speed writing on paper or on the practice pages at the back of the handwriting workbook. Select sounds your child has been taught so far. For example, say as your child writes the sounds. Remember, don't worry if your child's writing is untidy, and to keep praising your child as they are learning to read and write. Give them specific praise for working hard.